Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. Are you guys struggling with weak Wi-Fi signals? Don't be panic. Today we will solve your problem in just few minutes. So in today's video we will discuss how to set up Wi-Fi Extender MT02-7 WISP. If you're looking for the best Wi-Fi extender that easily extend your home Wi-Fi, then this video is specially made up for you. Basically, the Wi-Fi Extender MT02-7 WISP is a wireless signal booster that helps extend your home Wi-Fi coverage. It connects to your main router's network and repeats the signal. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. I hope in the end, this video will prove helpful. First of all, unbox your repeater box. Inside the Wi-Fi Extender MT02-7 WISP repeater box, you'll find the extender device itself, a quick installation guide, and a power plug attached to the unit. Some packages may also include an Ethernet cable for optional wired setup. Now connect your MT02-7 Wi-Fi extender to a power socket near your main router. Wait until the power LED turns on. On your phone or laptop, open Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the extender's default Wi-Fi name, SSID, like Wi-Fi Extender. If asked for a password, check the label on the device. Open any web browser and type 192.168.11.1 or as printed on the device. Log in with default username and password, usually admin. On the setup homepage, choose repeater mode or WISP mode. This mode allows the extender to connect wirelessly to your main Wi-Fi and expand its coverage. Click Scan to find nearby networks. Select your main router's Wi-Fi name, SSID. Enter your router's Wi-Fi password and click Apply/Save. The extender will now restart. After restarting, look for a new Wi-Fi name, same as your main Wi-Fi or with _ext added. Connect your phone or laptop to that network. Check that you now have internet access. Move the extender halfway between your router and the weak signal area. Plug it into a wall socket and wait until the signal LED shows a strong connection, usually green. Now setup is complete. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.